Hello friends, and welcome to our magical world of colors. Look over there. Who do we have here? It's a little drop of red, so bright and cheerful. And oh, who's that bouncing over? It's a little drop of blue, so cool and calm. Hi red, hi blue. Red loves to jump and leap, creating little red splats everywhere. See? Splat, splat, splat. And blue loves to glide and slide, making smooth blue waves. Whoosh! They look like they're having so much fun. I wonder what they're up to today. Red is hopping around a big white canvas. Hop, hop, hop. Blue is gently rolling towards red. They're getting closer and closer. What do you think will happen when they meet? Look, they're holding hands and starting to dance. Round and round they go, spinning faster and faster. Red and blue are giggling as they twirl together. It's like a colorful whirlwind. And as they spin, something amazing is happening. Can you see it? A new color is appearing right where they're dancing. It's not red, and it's not blue. It's purple. A beautiful, royal purple. Wow! Let's sing a song about it. When red and blue get together, they dance and play and sing. A brand new color comes to life. Oh, the joy that it can bring. Not red, not blue, but something new, a magical surprise. Look at the pretty purple, right before our eyes. Purple, purple, oh what fun, made from two. Now we have one, spinning, mixing, all day long, singing our happy color song. That was fantastic. Red and blue look so proud of the beautiful purple they made together. But wait, who is this? A new friend is coming to play. It's a drop of yellow, so sunny and bright. Hello, yellow. Yellow is bouncing with excitement, leaving little sparkles of sunshine everywhere. Yellow sees the fun red and blue are having and wants to join in. Red takes a little break to rest, while blue invites yellow to dance. Blue and yellow start to swirl together, just like red and blue did. Blue glides smoothly while yellow hops and skips. They're making a new pattern on the canvas. What do you think will happen this time? We have cool blue and sunny yellow mixing together. Let's watch closely. As they mix and mingle, another new color is starting to bloom. It's fresh and lively, like the leaves on a tree or the grass in a park. Can you guess what it is? It's green. Look at that lovely shade of green. They did it. Blue and yellow made green. Let's sing about our new color. When blue and yellow come to play on a bright and sunny day, they mix and swirl and have a ball, making new colors for us all. Not blue, not yellow. It's a treat, a color that can't be beat. Look at the lovely green so bright, filling our world with pure delight. Green, green, fresh and new, made by yellow and by blue, dancing, laughing, side by side, with nowhere left to hide. Our color friends are having the best time. We've seen red and blue make purple, and we've seen blue and yellow make green. Mixing colors is so much fun and full of wonderful surprises. Now all our friends, red, blue, and yellow, are playing together, painting a beautiful rainbow picture. Now, I have a special question for all of you watching at home. We saw what happens when red and blue mix, and what happens when blue and yellow mix. But what do you think would happen if sunny yellow and cheerful red decided to dance and mix together? What new color do you think they would make? Talk about it with your family or your friends. Maybe you can even try mixing some paint yourself to see what happens. There are so many colors to discover. Thank you so much for joining our color adventure today. We had so much fun singing and learning with you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more colorful fun. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.